If you use PixelYourSite and WooCommerce and you have an AddToCart event problem, watch this video because it will help. I'm Cristian Stoicescu from PixelYourSite, and this is a very simple way to check and to fix some AddToCart issues with WooCommerce. Now, this is the plugin PixelYourSite. Go to this page right here, WooCommerce, and look for this section. Click on it, and you have a few things. First of all, you can tell the plugin when to fire the AddToCart event. Usually it's on the AddToCart buttons, but you can also fire the event on the cart page and on the checkout page. This can be helpful depending on your configuration and how your website is structured. But the key thing I want to show you is this one. If the AddToCart event doesn't fire, change from hooks, which is the default option, to button classes. If you have button classes, change from button classes to hooks and save. Then once you do so, test the event and see if it works. Before you test, you should clear your caches, and ideally you should test in an incognito browser window. Now, let me explain a bit why this might help. First of all, how we can, what we do to identify the AddToCart action. When button classes are selected, we look for the classes defining the button. So WooCommerce use some standard classes to define the styling of the button. Usually themes will use the same classes, so we are able to track the clicks on these buttons in this way using classes. But what I discovered is that some themes or third-party plugins don't use the correct button classes. So the plugin is unable to identify clicks on AddToCart buttons. This is when we decided to implement the hooks option. Basically, we use something else. Hooks are pieces of code that modify the behavior of your website. This is I think the correct definition. In fact, this is the code triggering the AddToCart event. So again, it's a standard code used by WooCommerce to trigger AddToCart events. So the idea was that by using hooks instead of classes, we will capture AddToCart events more easily, and we will avoid problems with themes not using the correct classes. And yes, it worked in this way, and we avoid that problem. But we discovered that a lot of third-party plugins modify the way AddToCart works without using hooks the right way. So we fixed a problem and discovered a new one. On one hand, you have themes not using AddToCart correctly. On the other hand, you have third-party plugins not using the hooks correctly. So we decided that the best solution is to implement both ways to track this event and give you the option to decide between classes or hooks. So that's what this small selector does. It changes the way the plugin identifies the AddToCart action, and as I explained, there is a good reason for this. So the solution: if the AddToCart event doesn't work properly on your WooCommerce website, when you use PixelYourSite, go on the page of the WooCommerce page inside the plugin and change the way AddToCart is tracked or fired. Ideally, this should fix it. I think it will, because most of the time, at least, classes or hooks are used correctly on most websites. But this is it. This is the solution we have, and the advice that I can give you.